choose.
What I like about the versatility of the Hypervolt is multiple attachments. So it's easily to just pop one head off. And they give you a nice little bag here. And then we can go to something a little more pinpoint. So take this guy, plug it in, and now we have a new attachment. So I use this when I want to pinpoint more of an area, okay? The other one's more of a broad attachment. So this one, I like in my hips. I can start up here and kind of trace right down that quad, up here into the hip. We get a lot of tension, and I like to add some motion again. So I can like to lunge into it a little bit, coming back. Okay, you can just trace it right down. And as you flex and extend the knee and the hip, that helps stretch and lengthen the tissue as you're doing this. So it gives you a little more mobility out of it, a little more beneficial. And the opposite of that kind of pinpoint thing would be a more flat one. And this one has it's more of a rubber type feeling, so it has a little cushion to it. So it's a little easier on the body. And you can also apply a little more force. So I'll work on the same thing, the hip here, and you can really push down, and it kind of compresses as it forces into the tissue. So this can feel good as well. And it's all a personal preference. That's why they give you 5 different attachments, because you can use different attachments on different joints. If you're more sore one day, you may want to use a more broad approach. If you're feeling pretty good and you want to really get into a specific area, you want more of a pinpoint type attachment. All right, this one feels good, just kind of anywhere, nice and flat, compresses into the tissue and helps get you better mobility.